Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dynamic wallpapers for lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpapers, and here select wallpaper services, and here you can choose any wallpaper category. Before that, use download using mobile data. Okay, now I select this plants and it is being downloaded. Just wait. Yes, it is downloaded. Now click here and it is set to dynamic lock screen. Okay, get new lock screen wallpapers automatically and see something different each time. When you press each time lock screen button, there will be new wallpaper. Okay, if you click on that settings button, this will open. You can also use other category. Here I use food items. You can download more than one. Okay, first I downloaded plants. Now I download this food item, and they also applied to lock screen. Okay, now put lock in your phone and press one time, wallpaper is changed. If you press another time, there will be another wallpaper. So wallpaper will be changing automatically on dynamic lock screen. This is called a dynamic lock screen. Okay, the selected categories will be rotated through lock screen. For each press you will have different feel of wallpaper. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.